What's up, everybody? So, quick video. Remember the other day when I was showing you Granville Street down in Vancouver here? Well, as I was walking, I discovered this. Dun, 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 dun. See, that says the 285 burger. And basically, apparently, they have nice, fresh-looking burgers for $2.85. That's crazy cheap. So let's see what they have. Hello. Can I try the $2.85 burger, please? Yes, please. Thank you very much. Okay. So $2.85 with tax becomes $3 because everything has tax in Canada. There you go. Thank you very much. Cheers. Oh, okay. Thank you. So there we go, my $3 burger. So I'll show you guys the menu. So we have the $2.85 burger. This is the original one, the $2.85. Okay. All right. Thank you very much. And then we have the teriyaki burger, the cheeseburger, the teriyaki cheeseburger, and the W burger. And then we have a combo. You need to add $3.50 for fries. So yeah, that's not bad at all. I mean, the most expensive burger here is for $4.45. It's not bad for a fresh, handmade burger, I guess. So yeah, so this is the food truck. Dun, 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 dun. It's called Wok Wok Burger. The $2.85 burger. So I'll pause the video for a second, and I'll tell you guys how the burger is after I get it. Thank you very much. Thank you. So there it is. The what? Whoop, sorry. So that's a very looking burger actually. Thank you very much. Thank you. Very nice people. I like them. So let's go check out this burger. So. I say that's not bad for $3. So I'm gonna have to go away now because I can't hold the phone and eat at the same time. but it looks like a good burger. Actually, let me try to take one bite. Yeah, this is definitely worth $3. You should definitely try this if you come to Vancouver. So the truck is on Granville Street. Right over there, the $2.85 burger. Well, I guess after taxes, we should call it the $3 burger. But very good, very, very good. I'm gonna go now because I don't want my burger to get cold. See you guys in the next video.